Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's tutorial we'll be learning this type of turban. So guys, let's move straight to the training. So guys, the fabric I'll be using for this project is a shiny poly. If you want to learn this base, check out this video. It will give you a guide on how to get this base, okay? How I got to this level. So after joining your whole material, if you don't know how to do this design, please watch that video I just showed you. It's on my channel. Yes, it's called pleated all back. So you'll be joining this way. The reason why I'm doing this on camera is to show you how I got my open loop, okay? So I'll be using my pin to guide the essential parts. You can see the parts that I use my pins to hold down. Okay, the reason for this is so it won't mess up my work while I'm sewing. Alright, at this point I'll be using my measuring tape to mark 1.5 inches, 1.5. Okay, that's what I'll be marking out there. So the essence of this is when sewing, from the top part, which is the band, you're going to sew down to this point. From the band side, you sew down to this point, then take it straight down without cutting anything. Then you also sew down to this point where I marked 1.5. Please don't exceed that point. Let me show you how mine looks. You can see it. So leave this opening. There's a reason for that. So once I'm done doing that, you can see the outcome, the way it looks. Yes. So this is the front view. See that opening part? This is how it should be when you're done sewing yours. So next thing I'll be doing now is to plait the back of this turban cap base. There's no need showing this on camera. Just use your needle and thread to sew from this point. This point now, you're going to sew up, okay? So when you are done forming your gathers with your needle and thread, you cut out the excess. You cut out your needle and thread, and this will be the outcome. You see the back of mine. Alright, let's move now straight to the front part where the design will lie over. That's where I'll be placing my design. So at this point I'll be using this net fabric. There is one that is very hard, there is one that is too soft, but the particular one I'm using is medium one. It's not too hard, it's not too soft, you understand? So the length is 2 yards. I cut 2 yards of this net. Please pay attention and see the way I'll be attaching this to that turban base. you can see the outcome, and next thing I'll be doing is to expand the ruffles. Okay, so you start opening it up this way. The way I'm doing it, pick each and every one of them and you continue to bring it out this way. Please, if you want yours to be more fluffy, like more bigger than mine, increase the length of your fabric. The net you can cut like 3 yards or 2.5 yards, so it will be more fluffy, but I'm okay with the size of mine like this. And once you are done opening everything up, use your candle gum to hold everything together. I mean those parts where the spaces will be showing, the space between each loop will be showing. Just use your candle gum to hold it down. Then I'll be designing more with these appliques. So we have come to the end of this tutorial. Thanks for staying on to this time. I love you all.